What's up, guys? It's Jamie with Quik-Fil Mobile. Today we are going to do a oil change for a Ford Transit 250, and these are all the parts you need. First thing you'll need is a oil filter strap tool like this. This is my favorite. Then you're going to need a 1/4 wrench with a 15mm socket. 15. Then you're going to need 6 quarts of the OW20, or what your vehicle specifically needs. Mine takes 020, and you need 6 quarts. Then you're going to need an oil pan, a jack stand for safety, and then an oil filter. This specific oil filter part is a FL500S, and that's a spin-on. And then, of course, if you don't want to get dirty, you're going to need your handy-dandy is going to be right here on the right side. Oil drain plug, and you're going to need a 15mm. And then on the left side, you have your oil filter. So we're going to use our oil filter strap. You're just going to put it around the oil filter, and you're going to turn left. Remember, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. And don't do it all the way, because you will have oil draining from the filter as well. So make sure you set up your oil pan correctly, and you just unloosen it and you let it drain. Now while you're at it, you can grab your new filter, and you can grab some of this oil and just put it around the oil filter O-ring, so that way it doesn't tighten up when you need to change it again, because these do tighten up if you leave it dry, and they are a pain to take off. Don't leave the O-ring on top of here. Make sure it's off, because if you leave that on there and you put the new one on, it won't tighten. And when you put new oil and turn on the van, oil will come out bursting. So you don't ever want to leave the O-ring stuck on here. So make sure it comes off either on the filter, and if it stays stuck on here, make sure you take that off before you put the new filter. And leverage, and then you're just going to tighten it back. You don't want to tighten it super tight, because you will ruin the threads. Just make sure it's tight enough so it doesn't come out. It should be good right there. Alright guys, so we drained the oil, and then we tightened the drain plug. We took off the old oil filter, let that drain. We put the new one on. And then the last steps that you need to do is grab your funnel, and then grab your 6 quarts. Alright guys, so once you put the oil in and you turn on the car, you're going to use this OK button. Then what we're going to do is go up to your settings, click on this line, or 3 lines, click on that, go to information, go to oil life, reset oil life, hold it down, and then you're good to go. That's how you reset your oil life. That's how you do an oil change on your Ford Transit 250. If you have any questions, please let me know. But that should be it, and you're good to go. Thanks for watching.